Good morning, students. Welcome to your new session. I, Vikesh Raghuvanshi, is your English literature teacher. There are two books in English literature. One is main course book and the other is literature reader. Today we will start literature reader. We will start first chapter. So please take out your book and open page number 5. Chapter 1, The Whole Story. Dear students, now I will read the poem. You also do reading practice. You sure you want the whole story? Alright, you got the whole story. I was born tiny, mandible, in the smelly sock of Bill McDougal. Soon I was the dark, sweet cavity in the sleepy mouth of Lisa McBitty. But hey, I had high hopes for myself. Fueled my ambition, I craved big roles. I was a hole for a mole, a mouse, a man, a key, a button, a spy, a can. I lived through holes, peeping and beeping. Happy holes, sad holes, big holes, deep in. You name them, I have been them. Polo mint, loads of good parts playing solo. I have been a hole in a hello, a hole in a dug nut. I have aimed high and low, meant a whole lot, but I have been all holes to all people. People, nostrils, earth hole, unmentionable, had chasey days in immense cheese, give days in honeycombs from bees. I have picked a hole and made it holy, the secret lagoon, the tearful valley. I have played every role a hole can play. Snooker, basketball, golf, got a birdie. The sudden shock of the hard white wall, the thrill swoop of the basketball. Oh, there was nothing I hadn't seen. There was no hole I hadn't been. That was my downhole. I wanted to be bigger and bigger. Till before I could say hallelujah, I was the black hole, then the hole in the earth. The saddest hole in the whole world is the hole in the earth. I am the apes, you can't avoid me. Hear my howl of anguish, stop me. I didn't mean to get so out of control. Oh, to be a wee hole. Oh, to be a wee hole. To go back to Bill McDowell's woolly grey smelly sock. Oh, to turn back the clock. Dear students, I read this poem. Now see the this word meaning. Mendable, repairable. Ambitions, desire goal, craved, intense desire, mole usually dark, raised growth on human skin, solo means single. Honeycomb to cover with a pattern like a honeycomb. Lagoon, a shallow body of water separated from a sea. Swoop, to move in a sudden sweep. Abyss, an immeasurable deep chasm. Anguish, extreme physical or mental pain. We, very small or tiny. These words you have to learn. Dear students, now I will explain you the poem in very simple words. So please listen carefully. This poem, the whole story, is written by Jackie K. is a story of the whole. It is in the form of an autobiography, as the whole itself in this poem is telling a story about itself, that is where he was born. In this poem, the poet is telling that, or we can say that the whole itself is telling that he was born in tiny mandible or repairable in the smelly sock of Bill McDougal. Then the whole says that soon after it he was in the dark sweet cavity in the sleepy mouth of Lisa McBitty. The whole had intense desire of big roles. After this, the whole has been used to man, animal, birds, tins, sweets, and in buttons. The whole says that he lived as happy holes, sad holes, big holes, and deep holes. The whole further says that I am also in polo mint, I am in dugnut, which you all eat. The whole says that I have aimed high and low. The whole further describes himself and says that I have been all holes to all people. I have been in people nostril, in ears, etc. I am also in honeycombs. The whole says that he had played every role a hole can play. There is a hole in snooker, basketball, golf, and in many more games. The whole wanted to be bigger and bigger. Dear students, the whole found itself as a black hole than the hole in the earth, which is the saddest hole. The hole in the earth is the saddest hole in the world because there is too much desire and thirst of to be bigger and bigger. The hole had got out of control when he became the black hole, the hole in the earth. After this long journey of the hole, he realized its mistake. It is the abs and extreme physical or mental pain to be bigger and bigger. So now the hole wants to return to being a wee hole. Dear students, so we can say that the whole described his journey. This was the explanation of this poem, or we can say this was the summary of the poem. Dear students, please read this poem. Thank you and have a nice day.